Hello and welcome to Ocean Academe Calculus 12. Application of derivatives, example 2. When is the function Euler's number, or the mathematical constant, to the power of negative x times x to the power 4 increasing? So to find out where this is increasing or decreasing, we have to take the derivative. So I'll just write f prime x equals. Now we've got a product situation, so we need to employ our product rule. So to illustrate, our f of x will equal Euler's number to the power negative x. Our g of x will equal x to the power 4. Our f prime x, or the derivative, will equal our Euler's number to the power negative x times the derivative of negative x, which is negative 1. Our g prime x will be 4x to the power 3. So this always works on the diagonal. So starting here, we're going to plug in our numbers. So we've got Euler's number to the power negative x, and that's times negative 1. So I'm just going to make that negative. And that's going to be multiplied by x to the power 4. And plus, again, Euler's number to the power negative x times 4x to the power 3. Now what we need to do is solve for x. So we're going to set this equal to 0. So if we factor out our x to the power 3 and also our Euler's number to the power negative x, we're left with negative x plus 4 equals 0. So this tells us that our x equals 0 and 4. Now we have to run a series of tests in order to determine where this would be increasing or decreasing. So we'll start with where x is less than 0, and then we'll look at where x is between between 0 and 4, and then where x is greater than 4. So for this first one, we need to choose a value that is less than 0. So let's choose minus 1. So we're going to be applying this minus 1 wherever we see x in our derivative. Doing that, we get a negative value. Now we have to look at our second scenario. So we have to choose a number that is between 0 and 4. So let's choose 1. Plugging that into our derivative again. This time we get a positive number. And lastly, we need to choose a number that is greater than 4. So let's choose 5. Plugging that into our derivative, we get a negative value. So this is telling us that where there's a negative value, that's where it's decreasing, and where there's a positive value, it's increasing. And the question's asking where it's increasing, so we can say that it's increasing on the interval 0, 4.